is known for his action movies. The legend that is Akshay Kumar.
I'm a real hero, he's a real hero.
You ready?
Yes, absolutely.
So have each other's back and we'll have fun. It's just elephant tea. Now, look over there.
Woo! I'm very close to the water.
But this is the way that in the military we would access oil rig.
This whole adventure, remember, for the rest of my life.
Byju's Keep Learning co-presents Into the Wild with Bear Grylls and Akshay Kumar, co-powered by PolicyBazaar.com and PhonePe. Premieres Friday 11th September 8 p.m. on the Discovery Plus app and premieres Monday 14th September 8 p.m. on Discovery.